Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to release and open up the trunk of an A4 B8 in the limousine or sedan or whatever you want to call it version. Manually, obviously, because electrically you just put your hand in there or pull on the switch on your driver door or whatever, but when you don't have electrical power anymore. Okay, so there are two variants. If you don't have folding rear bench, then in that side, under the seat, so you need to pull that side of the seat up, you will find a red thing that you actually need to unglue. So you pull on it and then pull on it harder to release the trunk itself. If this thing is foldable, like it is in my situation, a bit hard to do with one hand, right there somewhere in the middle, probably my camera will not have enough light to show you in there, but let's try like this. Right in the middle you can see a little round cover. I'm not going to crawl through this because mine is working, but I worked on the battery and disconnected it and forgot and closed it at a point, and that wasn't fun at all. So you remove that little cover and let's continue from the outside. For you, sadly, yeah, you need to crawl in there and work like this. Okay, so remove this little thingy in any way you can. And down in there, not really sure if you can see. Yeah, so I don't think I could have properly shown you from the outside. So you need to get your key, remove, they call it, I think, the emergency part of the key. Oh, this is really hard to do with one hand. Be back in a second. Okay, so with this thing, you need to move that white thing to the right. So let me crawl even deeper because I cannot reach it yet. Okay, so something like this. And we are undone. And at this point you simply put the cover. As you can see, this thing jumped back in its place. And you can put the cover back on. Come on. Yes, it's a bit stubborn because it's really thin plastic. Anyway, it should have been made red or something to be more obvious, but yeah, there's that. And maybe in US cars you have something like a pull cord or something. I know US has some legislation about being able to easily release the trunk from the inside, but in EU, for sure, only this is what we get. So yeah, there's that. If you need to open your trunk when you don't have power anymore, this is how you do it. So, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.